Go.
Okay, so this is after I've done the other 2 experiments and none of them floated. Woohoo! So next we're going to try a cup of vinegar instead of a half cup. And then we're going to go back to the 1 tablespoon. So let's see. Oh my gosh! It's still going! This is awesome! Do not try this at home. That's awesome. You know, I think that this one might actually float. Very good, it does.
Jason?
Yes. Yes, my 6-year-old sister is in here with me too. This one is also 6 feet. I didn't think it'd go that far up, but you never know. Ready? And nothing. You know, it's surprising that balloon was actually a little warm.